Okay. So how will you get that numerator? Divided by
3.
3. So you divide by 3, you will get 5 by 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now we
ma'am.
will move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
5 by 6 will go to 10 by dash.
10 by 12.
10 by 12.
10 by 12.
10 by
10 by 12. Now 10 by 12 will move to
25 by 30.
dash by 30. What is
25,
the
30.
answer? What do you think?
25.
25. How did you get? See, children, if you did not get this fraction, you check for the other one, 5 by 6. 5 by 6. All these are equivalent fractions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even though 12 is not a multiple, 30 is not a multiple of 12, you take the other fractions. What are the other one? This is 5 by 6, 10, 15 by 18. How will you write this equivalent fraction? One second. Let me check, take some other color so that you can clearly see. Okay, children, look at here. Look at here. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to write all the fractions. 15 by 18. 15 by 18 equal to 5 by 6 equal to 10 by 12. If 10 by 12 and you got this as 30. See, children. Oh my God. Equal to 10 by 12 equal to 10 by 12 equal to dash. This is 30. This 12 is 30 is not a multiple of 12. Okay, but what is the meaning of equivalent fractions? All these are equivalent fractions, right?
yes.
Right? So this is also equal to 5 by 6, isn't it? 5. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of equivalent fractions? One second. Let me explain this properly. See, children, I'm going to write all these equivalent fractions. 15 by 18 equal to 5 by 6 equal to 10 by 12 equal to dash by 30. This is our question. Now, there is no connection between 12 and 30. There is connection is there. Wait, I will tell you how. See, now you can compare this 5 and 6. Can you compare? All these are equivalent fractions means all these fractions are equal, right?
Yes.
Right. So how will you get 6 and 30?
6 into 10 is
6 into
5.
So 6 into 5 is 30. If 5 by 6 equal to dash by 30, how will you write this? How will you find the answer?
5 into 5.
5 into
So 6 into 5, 5 into 5. 25 is the answer.
25.
25 is the answer. Clear, children?
yes, ma'am.
Clear? So if you
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not get any direct connection, you go to check the other fraction also. Other fraction also. Clear, children? So are these equivalent fractions now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are equivalent fractions. And one more thing. 12 into 12 into 12 into 2. What is 12 into 2? 24. Clear? What is 12 into 2.5? Will you find the answer, children? 12 into 2.5.
And Devika is in the waiting room.
Yes, yes. What is 12 into 2.5?
30.
12. Will you find the answer 12 into 2.5?
Ma'am, 30.
Okay. Now your doubt clear? 12 into 2.5 is 30. So how will you get the next one? How will you get? 12 into, if 12 into 2.5 is 30, how will you get the numerator? 10 into 2.5, right, children? 10 into
Yes,
2.5. What is the answer? What is that?
20.
25. Now you just check, are these are equivalent fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are, so these are equivalent fractions. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So which one you will write? 12 into 1 second. 12 into 10 by 12 into 2.5 we can write, isn't it? Isn't it, children?
Yes,
Isn't it?
ma'am.
So you will get the answer as 25 by 30, or you write like this, or 5 by 6 into 5 into 5. You will get 25 by 30. Clear? So two methods. So these are equivalent fractions. Yes. Our answer is yes. These are equivalent fractions.
Finish, ma'am. I finish writing.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, children, now shall we discuss the 6th and 7th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find the ratio of the following. Find the ratio of the following: 81 to 108. 81 to 108. So children, you don't come to the conclusion whether they are equivalent fractions. Go to check with the other fraction also, equivalent fraction also. Okay. Now, 81 to 108. This is our question. 81 to 108. Find the ratio. Means make it as simplest. Which is the common number in this? Which is the common number?
Ma'am, 3 is the common number.
9 is the common number. 9. 9 into what is 89? Can you divide by 9 both? What will you get? 9 is to? 9 is to?
9.
9 is to? 108 divided by 9. Will you find out, children? 12, correct. Now, again, common factor is there. Which is the common factor of 9 and 12?
3.
3.
And 3 is to
3 is to 4.
3.
Now you, okay, 3 is to 4. Now you cannot simplify this. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So B, next question. 98 to 63. 98 is to 63. Common number?
Ma'am, 3.
Can you divide 98 by 3?
Ma'am,
Can you divide 98 by 3? Can you divide this
No,
with
ma'am.
7? Can you divide
Yes,
both
ma'am.
with 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Will you
Yes, ma'am.
divide with 7? 98 divided by 7?
Yes, ma'am. We can divide
Ma'am, 18.
18.
No, ma'am, not 18. Not 18.
We can
14 is to 9.
14 is to?
Ma'am, 28.
9.
14
Ma'am,
is to
14 is
9.
to 9.
14 is to 9. Okay. 14 is to 9. And C is?
And we can divide by 11.
33 kilometer. 33 is to 121. We can divide by 9. 11. 11 is the common number. 3 is to 11 itself. 3 is to 11. Now 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Both are same units. So we can write is to 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Common number?
5.
5.
Again? Divide by 5. Again you can divide. 6 is
By
to 9.
9.
Again?
By 2.
By
3.
3.
3.
By 3. Divide by 3 again.
2.
So one common number is there. 15 is the common number. Okay, 15. 2 is to 3. Sorry. 2 is to 3. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we
Ma'am,
move
D
to
is
the next?
3 is to 4, right?
Which one?
Ma'am, D.
How?
Ma'am, 3 is to 4, right?
3 is to 4 is 12. Which number you divided?
Ma'am, by like 3.
6 divided by 3. What is the answer? 6 divided by 3. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 2.
9 divided by 3. What is the answer?
3.
Is it 4?
3. No, ma'am.
Okay. So, seventh question. Find the ratio of the following. Seventh question. A. 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. What is the problem here, children?
Units are different.
Units are different. So, can we make it both into minutes, 30 minutes?
Yes,
And?
Yes. 90 minutes.
90 minutes. Correct. 90 minutes. Which is the common one? 30 is to 90. Which is the common number?
Ma'am.
3.
3. Only 3. You can see
Two.
only small number.
Ma'am,
30. 30 is the common number. 30. 30 itself is the common number. So divide by 30, you will get 1 is to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
1 is to 3. Okay, children, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Next, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Eighth question, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. So, 1.5 meter convert into centimeter. 40 centimeter to
150 centimeters.
150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. So, 40 is to 150. What is the common number? 10 is
10.
the common. 10 is the common number. So, divide by 10, you will get 4 is to 50. No other numbers in common. No other numbers in common. This is B, question number B. Now, question number C is 55 paise to rupees 1. 55 paise to rupees 1. How will you convert? Hello? Ananya, will you unmute?
Ma'am.
Will you mute?
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you
From
hear me?
From where the sound is coming? Hello?
Ma'am.
Hello? Will you mute? Okay. 55 paise. So 55, how will you convert rupees 100? Sorry, rupees 1. How will you convert rupees 1?
100
100 paise. 100 paise. 100. So 55 is to 100. Common number? Common number? 5.
5.
So divide by 5, both. So we'll get 11 is to
11
20.
is to 20.
Oh. One more question. 500 milliliters to 2 liters. 500 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. So
500 divided by 2.
500 milliliter. Okay. How will you convert 2 liters to milliliters? 2000 milliliters. 2000 milliliters. Okay. So the ratio is 500 is to 2000. Common number is 500 itself. Isn't it? 500 itself. Common number is 500 itself. So 1 is to 4 is the answer. 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Okay.
Finished, ma'am.
So there are again children, is this 8, 9 and 10 you do as a homework, and tomorrow by Saturday. Okay. Tomorrow we have our test paper, right?
And can you tell one more time?
8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 251. Page
Okay.
number 251, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. There are some more homeworks, some more questions in this. See children, can you see 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16? These many questions are there. Okay. That I'll give you as a homework in any other day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall we start with the proportion?
Yes, ma'am.
Ratio and proportion. Our chapter's name is ratio and proportion. So you should know just this much time, these many days we studied about ratio. And there is one more portion in this chapter, that is proportion. So what is this ratio and what is the proportion? What is the connection between both? Clear? Ratio and proportion both are different. Clear children? Clear. So ratio we studied, and ratio and proportion both are related, but it is different also. So we will study that proportion. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you do it as a homework, and some more homeworks are there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All these are easy and we can do it in any other day. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So you remind me, these questions are there to do. After finishing this proportion, we will do that also. Okay? So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raju went to consider the situation. So we are dealing with proportion. Now, what is proportion? What is the connection with the ratio and proportion? That's all things we'll study now. Raju went to the market. Yes. To purchase tomatoes. What is he going to purchase? Tomatoes. One shopkeeper tells him that the cost of tomatoes is ₹40 for 5 kilogram. Okay, what is the cost of the tomato? First shopkeeper?
40.
How many rupees 40 for?
For 5 kilo.
5 kilogram. So what is the 1 kilogram's cost? 1 kilogram's cost? Rupees 40 for 5 kilogram. So what is 1 kilogram's cost? 5 kilogram, rupees 40. Then what is 1 kilogram's 1 kg's cost, children? 1 kg, divide and find out. Divide. Yes? 3 oh?
No, ma'am. 8. 4.
4.
Ma'am,
40 divided by 5 is 4.
8, ma'am.
8. Divide and find out. See children, how did I write? Instead of 5, how did I write 1? Under 5, can you see 1? 5 kilogram and 1 kilogram.
Yes, ma'am.
From 5 kilogram, how did you get 1 kilogram? You divided it with 5, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
1 into 5 is 5, or 5 divided by 5 is 1. Like that, you do the same thing here. Rupees 40 by 5. That is equivalent fraction, right? If I write like this, will you write the answer? If I write like this, will you write the answer?
No.
Will you write the answer?
Divide.
8. Did you get?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
get the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 kilogram, how much? Rupees 8. This we have to keep in mind, okay?
Ma'am, you have to
Children?
write. You have to
No, I am explaining.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, another shopkeeper gives the cost rupees 6 kilogram for rupees 42. Another shopkeeper, rupees 42 for how many kilograms? For 6 kilograms. Okay.
Ma'am, we have
So what about 1 kilogram?
Ma'am, 7.
Rupees 7. Which shop he will buy tomatoes?
Ma'am. And second.
Second. Did you get the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
So all our daily, why we are going to different shops for getting some profit. We want tomatoes, then onions, all the onions, now we'll go and search for all the places where the price is low. We will go and get the onions or vegetables from there. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll find 1 kilogram's cost. How will you get 1 kilogram's cost from here? Total rupees by weight. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, another example. Bhavika has 28 marbles and Vinny has 180 flowers. 1 minute. 1 minute. No need of giving that example. Okay. Yes, children. If first shopkeeper rupees 40 and for 5 kilogram, right?
Yes,
So what was 1 kilogram's cost?
8.
Rupees 8. Okay. And again, if he went to another shop and it is, hello, are you listening?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you listening? And if it is rupees 24 for 3 kilogram, what is the cost for 1 kilogram, children? This is the first shop and this is the second shop. Yes? What is the cost for 1 kilogram tomatoes?
Ma'am, 8.
Rupees 8. Which shop will he will buy tomato?
Ma'am, from the second shop. From the first. Ma'am, from the second shop.
How did you get? Both the shops are same, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Both shops are same because both the shops, even if it is given in a different way, answer is same. Isn't it?
We'll buy from the first shop.
Any shop he can buy because the cost is same.
Decision.
It's according to him. Any shop he can buy. He will look at the quality of the tomatoes.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Okay.
He will look
But
whether
the cost is same, right, children?
Ma'am.
So that means if the ratio is same, when you simplify, if the ratio is same, that is known as proportion. That is in proportion. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
40 by 5. 40 by 5. When you simplify, 5 by 40. Next, 5 by 40. When you simplify, what will you get?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Clear? Clear? Again, if I will give another, I already give 3 by 24. What is the answer here?
1 by
1 by
8.
8.
That means these two ratios are same, isn't it? 5 by 40 and 3 by 24 are same,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, if these ratios are same, it is known as it is in proportion. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? One more example. See, 5 by 40 equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Will you multiply like this? You know how to multiply. This cross multiplication, you know? Cross
Yes.
multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you multiply this?
Yes, ma'am. 40.
5 into 8.
Yes, ma'am. 40.
40.
40.
And 40 into 1 into 40.
40.
40.
If the ratios are same, we will get the same value when you cross multiply. Okay. If you get the same value like this, it is known as it is in proportion. Clear? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So let me write one more question. 5 by 40 equal to 2 by 3. Can you check whether it is in proportion or not, or equivalent fraction or not?
Ma'am, it's not.
How will you get? 5 into 3 we will find out. How much? 15.
15.
Cross multiply. 40 into 2. How much?
80.
80. Are these in proportion?
No.
Are these equivalent
ma'am.
fractions?
No, ma'am.
So that is a very easy method to check. Okay, children? Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now one more question. Here, Raj purchased 3 pens for rupees 15. Okay. Raj, how did he purchase? Raj, what is his rate? Raj, 3 pens for rupees 15. Okay. Can you tell the ratio?
3 is to 15.
3 is to 15. Will you simplify it?
Ma'am, 1 by 1 by
1 is to
1 is to 1 is to 5.
1 is to 5. This you have to keep in mind. Again, another person is there, Anu. Anu purchased 10 pens for rupees 15. Sorry, rupees 50. Rupees 50. Let me write the ratio. 10 is to 50. Will you simplify it?
Yes, ma'am. 1 is to 5.
1 is to 5.
1
What
is
can
to
you
5.
tell about both the ratios?
Ma'am, they are equal.
3 by 15 and another is 10 by 50. What are they?
Equal.
They are equal. If they are in fraction form, we will tell this as equivalent fractions.
Fraction.
If they are in ratio form,
Proportion.
they are known as
Proportion.
proportion. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If they are equal fraction form, we will tell that they are in equivalent. They are equal fractions, equivalent. If they are in ratio form, it is known as
Proportion.
proportion. Proportion. Both are correct. 1 is to 5 itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Um, okay, children. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
Did you understand both the ratios?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, one more thing. One more. See, children. Can you see this? Will you write the heading proportion now?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Proportion. Write the heading, subheading proportion. And will you write this? If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use the symbol. Can you see 4 dots here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you write that. I will tell how to read it. After this, you write this, which is written in bold letters. Afterwards, I'll explain. Example I'll give you.
Finish, ma'am.
Am I finished writing?
Okay. Finish?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, will you write this example? Rahim sells 2 kilograms of apples. Till here, will you write?
Yes, ma'am.
That is our example. Rahim sells. Rahim sells 2 kilograms of apples for rupees 180 and 4 kilograms of apples for rupees 360. Okay, children, here we will write the ratio of the weight of apples and ratio of their cost. Both are in same proportion. Both are in same ratio. 1:2, 1:2. I will explain this. First of all, you write up to this.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, so Shravana, some girls are near to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They
My
are
sister.
showing some actions. You are not seeing it, but we can see. Can you see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which class they are? They are in the school itself?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your, this one's, this just now
My
she came now?
sister. My sister.
Younger one?
Yes, ma'am.
Which class she is?
Second A.
Okay. Okay, children. So here ratio of weight of apples. Okay. We will write the weight first. Clear, children? What is the weight? Weight of apples. Okay, children. Weight of apples.
4 kg.
Weight of apples. First, what if you are writing Rahim's first and Roshan's, both Rahim's you should write both the cases first. Okay, children? Don't change the order. Okay. So weight of apples will be
2 kgs to 4 kg.
2 is to
4
4. So when you simplify it, you will get 1 is to
is to 2.
Then their cost. Cost is
1 rupees
180 to 360.
150.
So 180 to 360, when you simplify this, what will you get?
6 is to 12.
6 is to 12. And again, when you simplify,
1 is to 2.
1 is to 2. So both the ratios are same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So ratio of the weight of apples are equal to the ratio of their cost. Both are correct. Okay. So how will you write this? How will you write, children? Okay. How will you write? So that is our example. Okay. So this one we will write in 3, 10. 4 numbers. 3, 10, 15 and 50. Okay, children? 3 is to 10 is equal to 15 is to 50. Correct? Correct? Will you write this? Will you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these numbers, what I am writing on board now, you can write these numbers are in proportion. Are in proportion. Are in proportion. Okay. 3 is to 10 equal to 15 is to 50. Because when you simplify 15 is to 50, you will get 3 is to 10 itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will write this as 3 is to 10 as. This ratio, no? This. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 is to 10. This 4 dots is known as. As 15 is to 50. Read it as 3 is to 10 as 15 is to 50. How will you read?
3 is to 10
10
as
as
10 as
15
is to. Here one more example. Can you see? I made a round over there.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you read that? 2 is to
2
4
is to 4
as 180 is
180 is to 360.
360. Okay. 2 is to 4. Can you see this 2 kilogram, 4 kilogram?
Yes, ma'am.
This one, Rahim's and Roshan's. So we will read it like this. 2 is to 4 as
180
180 is
Is
to
to
360.
360.
This 2 dots is to and 4 dots is
as
as. 2 dots is known as is to
to
and 4 dots are known as
as.
as. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this was up to this. You study well and come. Do
Okay,
the
ma'am.
homework and we will do this. Very interesting to find out proportion because we know it already. Okay, we know it already how to find the ratios, how to find the proportion and all. Then one more topic only, unitary method. Afterwards it will finish and we'll start a new lesson, constructions, most probably next week.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I wind up now, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, study well and come. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.